Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai. We are learning the meaning of the verses of Sri Guru Gita based on Guru Gita Artheshwari, written by Her Highness Mahayogi Swami Umananda Saraswati. As asserted by Gurudev, Sri Guru Gita Mahamantra is a self-study that enhances and fosters the art of living in present age of darkness known as Kali Yuga. Today we are going to learn the meaning of the verse number 78.
सप्तसागरपर्यन्त तीर्थस्नानादिकं फलं गुरोरङ्घ्रिपयो बिन्दु सहस्रांशेन दुर्लभम्.
The merit gained through the dips in all the holy waters of the seven seas fades when compared to that gained through sipping even 1,000th part of a drop of the water of the Guru's feet. Though one travels to holy lands and bathes in the waters of holy seas, a greater treasure is won by him who sips the water of Guru's feet. The previous stanza describes Guru's greatest form, greatest power. Now again in this stanza also, Sri Shankar is empathetically stating the power and holiness of the Guru Charana and Guru Charana Tirtha. The idea behind it is to warn the seekers not to waste their time and energy in doing external sadhanas only, such as pilgrimage, going to temples, going round and round the temples, pradakshinas, worshipping deities, saying prayers, fasting, ritualism, hunting, etc. Guru Bhakti is quite enough to obtain all the fruits of all the sadhanas. Every stanza of Sri Guru Gita thus tries to convince the seeker of this great truth that it is to be experienced. Can anybody succeed even if he tries to have a dip in all the seven seas? But a mere drop of the holy water with which the Guru's sacred feet are worshipped has got such great power to grant so much merit to the Guru Bhakta. The inner meaning of this benignant stanza is that Guru Bhakti purifies the seven factors of which the human body is made, such as blood, flesh, bones, muscles, nerves, skin, digestive juices, etc. The devotee's body becomes sacred without defects, cough, indigestion, disease, and the gross elements become subtle. The body and the universe, individuality and totality find their connection and are united in one another. Then the strength and power from the universe flow into seeker's body, mind and intellect. Guru Charana Tirtha is not to be understood literally only. Mental sadhana in settled form is more important, more effective, more powerful, more significant than external sadhana at gross physical level. Guru Charana Tirtha means devotion, love for Guru, Guru Smarana. Remembering Guru consistently is necessary. That is what this stanza suggests. Any sadhana to be fruitful must be performed with feeling and right attitude. External action without reaction on mind has no meaning, is not important. The love for Guru is such a mixture that it purifies body, mind and intellect. The bath in the seven seas actually means the external and internal purification. Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai.